Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Alpha Ambassador, and in this series of short video tutorials we're going to deep dive into Sony's new menus that we see on cameras such as the A7 IV and the Alpha 1. So without much further ado, let's get started. There is a zoom feature when using Sony Alpha cameras that you can access even when using prime lenses that don't zoom themselves. So in order to enable this, we will go into the red shooting menu, page 9, where you can see that zoom feature there. Now if you can't access this because it's grayed out, I'm looking at that zoom there, what you'll need to do is go and select the movie settings. Now you can also use this for JPEGs, but we'll need to set it up with that subdial set to movies. We can then go into that zoom range and choose clear image zoom. Now that clear image zoom is not a digital zoom, so you're not going to lower the quality of your movie recording when using that clear image zoom. Basically what we're doing is we're going from the full frame or full width of the sensor to the APS-C Super 35 mode. Now you will be able to control the speed of that zoom depending on when we're using a custom key. Now you can set up this different speed for using a remote. So as we go into these menus, I've chosen a faster zoom speed for when I'm in standby mode and a very slow zoom when I'm actually working and recording the movie files. So you can tailor that to your own preferences if you like. Okay, so going into that operation customize, we are going to need to be able to access that zoom quite quickly when shooting movies. So you're going to go into that yellow setup menu, page 3, operation customize, custom key settings for shooting movies, and then what I'm doing is I'm overriding the AEL button and assigning that to zoom. And you'll find that on page 7 of the options when choosing a function to assign to that AEL key. And then you'll be able to use that clear image zoom very quickly just by pressing the AEL key and then using either the left or right dial or using the rear dial to zoom in and out. If you found this information useful, head over to patreon.com/Mark Gaylor. I'm offering an Alpha Creative Skills support channel where you can download a 500-page camera-specific ebook, and I've covered most of the late model Alpha cameras. You'll also be able to download a camset file if you own one of the later model Alphas. You'll be able to set up your entire camera with just a single file copied to a memory card. I also offer additional ebooks for people to download to help them master the skills of creative photography, and also a range of 1-hour seminars that look at the using the camera gear to the best effect and also to build up your skills of photography in general. So head over to patreon.com/Mark Gaylor.